Hi everyone, this is Mommy Shagan and I just want to help our IMG members on how to renew our IMG Accreditation for 2022. So mag-start po tayo sa pagpunta sa www.img-corp.net. Then ilagay po natin ang ating membership code and password. Then i-click po natin yung itinuturo ng arrow na aking inilagay dyan. Automatic na pong nakalagay dyan ang mga information from the time na kinlik natin yung update our accreditation. And then we can hit next. Ito po ang mga iba't ibang amount kung kailan tayo nag-start as a member. And then we can set our details in there and we can choose our payment method. Just provide everything that is needed and then hit next. And then, ito na yung time na magbabayad na tayo. Make sure na na-screenshot natin yung receipt ng ating payment. Please do click that part na merong arrow na inilagay ko po. And we will be routed in here. Kaya ko po pinapa-make sure na ma-screenshot natin ang ating payment or receipt ng ating payment because we need to put it in here too as a proof of payment. After completing everything and you hit next, you will be routed into this. This is a notification that your payment has been sent out and it's under verification. Makaka-receive din tayo ng emails about dito sa pre-process natin na IMG Accreditation payment. I hope nakatulong itong ating tutorial on how to process our IMG Accreditation update. So, asahan ko na sa susunod na mga vlog ko or tutorials ay makasama ko ulit kayo. Again, thank you everyone for watching. Bye for now!